Coupons. Just mentioning the word in an auto repair shop owners group is enough to start a heated debate. Some shop owners swear by them, saying they keep bays full and bring in new customers. Others think they cheapen the brand and attract nothing but price shoppers who disappear the moment they find a better deal. So what's the real story? Should your shop use coupons? Or are they costing you more than they bring in? Let's break down how to use coupons the right way, where they go wrong, and what better marketing strategies can help you grow without sacrificing profits or your shop's reputation. Coupons can absolutely bring people into your shop. If you're new or going through a slow period, they can give your car count a quick boost. But here's the real question. Are they bringing in the right customers? If your goal is to attract high-quality repeat customers who trust your expertise, then deep discount coupons might be doing more harm than good. The problem? Shops that rely too much on coupons train their customers to shop for price, not quality. And that's a dangerous game because it turns your shop into a revolving door for bargain hunters. So should you use coupons? Well, that depends on how you structure them. Coupons can work if they're used strategically. Here's when they make sense. Number one, you're a new shop. Coupons help you introduce your shop to the community and build awareness. Number two, you're running targeted digital ads. A well-placed offer in Google Ads or social media can increase response rates. And number three, you have really strong service advisors. Your team knows how to turn first-time coupon users into loyal, repeat customers. Or number four, you use them as part of a bigger plan instead of throwing out random discounts just to fill the schedule. Now, not all coupons are created equally. A $19.99 oil change, that's just attracting a bottom feeder customer who's only looking for the next cheapest deal. So yes, coupons can work if you're attracting quality customers instead of deal hunters. Many marketing companies, they push discount-heavy strategies on auto repair shops, but they can hurt more than they can help. They can attract the wrong customers. Price shoppers, they bounce the second they find a lower price. They can also lower your shop's perceived value. If you focus too much on discounts, high-quality customers will assume you're the cheap shop. And they definitely cut into your profitability. If you're filling bays with low-margin work, you might be busy but making less money. So how do you use promotions the right way without getting stuck in the discount trap? There are smart ways to use promotions in auto repair marketing. If you're going to offer promotions, make sure they're designed to build long-term business, not just one-time sales. You've got to use coupons in the right marketing channels. Coupons are most effective when used strategically in Google Ads, direct mail, and email marketing. In Google Ads, a well-crafted offer can increase engagement, but make sure it attracts the right type of customer. In direct mail, a compelling coupon can boost response rates, but only if it's sent to the right audience. And in email marketing, a time-sensitive offer can encourage existing customers to schedule their next service. Offer high-value promotions instead of cheap discounts. Instead of slashing prices on small-ticket services, focus on offers that encourage higher-value transactions. Here are some examples. 10% off of factory-recommended maintenance. This rewards clients who do comprehensive maintenance rather than just an oil change. $100 off repairs over $1,000. Gives an incentive for completing larger repairs. Also, you can use value-added offers instead of straight discounts. Rather than lowering your prices, increase the perceived value of the perks you're probably already giving. Some examples: a free car wash with any service over $200. Complimentary use of a loaner car for major repairs. A free multi-point digital inspection with every service. Remember, you're doing these things already anyway. And people love getting more for their money, and these kind of offers don't cheapen your brand. Now, let's talk about why high-end clients don't respond to generic coupons. Here's something most marketing companies don't tell you. Households earning over $100,000 in income, they use coupons more than lower-income households. But there's a big difference. They don't respond to cheap discounts. Wealthy customers love getting value, but they want convenience, premium service, and VIP treatment, not the lowest price. If your shop wants to attract high-value customers, it's critical to offer promotions that match their expectations rather than just another discount. Here are some examples. Offer luxury loaner cars. High-end customers don't want to drive a Kia while their BMW is in the shop. Offer exclusive VIP memberships. This gives them perks like priority scheduling, strategic service discounts, and other value adds that build loyalty. Offer bundled services that add convenience. Instead of discounts, create service packages that make life easier for your customer. Your service advisor is the key to making coupons or offers work. The success of any promotion depends on your service advisor's ability to turn coupon customers into loyal clients. A strong service advisor will educate customers on additional services, they'll build trust, and they'll build a relationship to encourage repeat visits. And they sell higher margin services to offset any discounts. If your team isn't trained to convert customers into long-term clients, using coupons in your marketing will lose you money instead of making you money. So, should your auto repair shop use coupons? If your shop needs more car count, coupons can help, but only when used correctly. If you focus on premium services, traditional discounts might send the wrong message. And if your service advisor team isn't trained to convert customers into repeat clients, you're wasting time and money. However, if you use coupons or offers intentionally through premium promotions or bundled services, they can be highly effective. Now, the worst thing you can do is to throw out discounts randomly and hope for the best. So you need to have a plan. Before you run your next promo, ask yourself, am I targeting the right customers? Is my team trained to turn them into loyal clients? Does my offer actually add value, or am I just giving money away? When done correctly, coupons can be an effective tool, but only if they attract the right customers and don't hurt your bottom line. Let's build a marketing strategy that actually works. Are you tired of running promotions that attract one-time bargain hunters instead of loyal, high-value customers? At Shop Marketing Pros, we help independent auto repair shops attract the right customers. People who value quality and trust, not just the cheapest deal. We focus on building a strong brand that positions your shop as the go-to choice in your community. Our marketing strategies are designed to increase car count without sacrificing profitability, ensuring that your business grows the right way. So instead of relying on quick fix promotions, we create high ROI marketing campaigns that drive long-term success. When your shop is built on trust and strong customer relationships, you don't have to compete on price. You stand out based on quality. Schedule a free discovery call today at shopmarketingpros.com. Let's build a marketing strategy that brings in high-value customers and keeps your base full.